this. I'll be the judge. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the set of CJ's first cooking show.
Good to be here.
It is great to be here
Well,
on this.
It's good. It's good.
It's great. Good or great?
It's great.
Suck up.
On that camera is Ethan. Camera 2 over here.
Camera
Nate.
1.
I'm glad that you guys are with us today. We're gonna do something special. I'm going to show you a famous Frazier family recipe passed down from generations when my forefathers came across the ocean and landed on the rock.
The Rock.
Welcome to the Rock.
They brought this recipe and said, tell no one. Today I'm gonna tell you though.
I don't think any of that's true.
You can't handle the truth.
Today I'm gonna show you guys a delicious CJ version taco salad. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, it's better than anything Nate would make. And
No,
that's all there is to it.
Dude, I made a taco salad.
We're not gonna talk about that yet. Okay, welcome guys. This is gonna be good times. To start this simple, delightful
It is
recipe
gonna
off.
be good times, not great times.
Okay, you got me there.
Good one. You got me.
Right behind me, I've got my 36-inch Blackstone. It has been preheating. Actually, I've had it preheating for a minute, so I'm gonna crank this up to like a medium high.
211.
We're not quite 211.
Is it any louder? Well, it's one louder, isn't it?
This is a good scenario for 80-20.
It's always exclusively use 80/20.
Why?
Why?
You don't want me to nerd out again. You're just
Actually,
gonna make fun of me.
No, I enjoy your nerdy moments. Why don't you go ahead and fill in the viewers on your nerdiness.
80/20 has a good fat to meat protein content and it's delicious. It gives you a good wet meat.
Wet meat. So, ingredient number 2 in CJ's world famous Plymouth Rock
Plymouth Rock. That's where it all started.
taco salad.
Plymouth Rock? Pride Rock.
Oh, a good one as well.
Thank you.
Si vegna, mananid.
Fraggle Rock from the Fraggle section.
Okay.
Definitely before you were born.
Way before you were born. Did you actually ever watch Fraggle Rock?
I watched like 2 episodes because my dad showed me.
Yeah, your dad's nostalgic
Pretty,
like
dude,
that.
Fraggle Rock it's a gem.
Yeah, Ethan also knows all about like Labyrinth and Transformers. Those
Voodoo.
Do what?
Remind me is the baby.
are, but I am going to chop up this onion into, I guess just a decent sized chop. Honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect. If you're going to do anything Mexican, including beef, you've got to have some caramelized onions.
This is Mexican now?
Well, it's taco-ish. Not quite though, because of the other special ingredients, which I'm not talking about yet. Let's go right over here though. I'm gonna toss my beef. Oh yeah, we're starting to see that Maillard reaction.
You don't season while you're cooking.
You say things like that, and you say it like tongue-in-cheek. You don't say it as if you're asking a question. You say it to imply your agenda.
I was legitimately asking a question of why you don't season during the process, because layering your salt content makes a big difference.
I do that all the time. All right, so I've got some kosher salt, some coarse black pepper. Gonna toss this around a little bit because I do want to layer my sodium and my salty nature of my food.
I didn't say anything about sodium.
Well, whatever. I don't think I can handle this anymore. We're gonna need a ring to bring it.
Jeez.
Whew. There's the Plymouth Rock. Okay, ingredient number 2.
Jeez.
Romaine lettuce. You actually could use any lettuce that you like, but I happen to love a nice, crispy, crunchy romaine lettuce.
Double chop. You went real small.
Yeah.
Like a Cobb salad.
A little bit like a Cobb salad, yeah. Now that's the thing with the bag salad. You just get it, and it's the way that they want it.
You said it.
Let's come back over here for number 2. Number 3, I'm gonna start incorporating these 2 delightful items in the dish.
There's the aroma.
Oh yeah, buddy. That perfect mixture of onions and beef. A little bit of
Where does the
shia.
taco flavor come in? Is there ever taco flavor, or is it just...
See, you're doing
I'm
it.
asking
You're
you
doing it
genuine
again.
questions.
You're doing it again.
I see nothing taco yet. It was a genuine question.
This is technically not taco, but you've got some tequila, which I like to taco taquitos.
Ooh, that sounds good.
It does. So we're doing some tequila lime seasoning. Now, while that is over there doing its thing, we're going to start incorporating a couple other ingredients. Okay. I've got, first off, tried and true Rotel. Now, again, this has changed from the Plymouth Rock days. They used to just use diced tomato. But in this situation, I don't really want to just do diced tomatoes. I want to do diced tomatoes and green chili. And yes, I could do just tomatoes that I dice.
You're getting rid of the juice.
Getting rid of the use. Not necessary.
No green chili?
There are green chilies in Rotel.
Is there?
There is.
Oh,
yeah.
Is it right there?
Surprised you didn't know that.
Surprised you didn't know that.
Now, a little bit of the juice is not going to be a problem. You don't have to get too overzealous with that. And now, number 2, I'm going to go ahead and do some fire roasted corn. This is another change from the original. This is a delightful thing. We're going to open this up. Get that juice out as well, because we don't need the corn juice. You do need the fire roasted, though. That's part of the trick. We're gonna add that corn, and then we're gonna follow that up with 2 delightful ingredients. I'm talking about one that you never saw, you never knew of, ranch-style beans.
I did not know what these were.
I had to tell him about this. Again, he's not familiar with the Plymouth Rock recipe book.
Fraggle Rock.
Yeah, he only knows about Julian Child and whatnot, but
Julian Child.
that was a little blasphemous. So we've got some ranch-style beans, some black beans. Gonna add those to this. Toss it all around. Get that nice and warm. Heat it up, and then we're gonna get ready to start incorporating and building with the salad ingredients.
That's it?
Now, before that's done, give it another quick toss. I do know that this is gonna need a little bit more of that kosher salt, because we're talking about stacking our salt, right, Nate?
Stacking flavor, yes.
Staking or stacking?
Staking the flavor.
Sticking the flavor, don't you know? Well, it's a nice hot.
I'll even give you a hot.
So we're gonna stack that flavor with some salt, move it off to the side, put that in a bowl, and it's time to add our salad. Now, moving on to the last 2 ingredients of this very delicate.
You just added lettuce. I mean, it's not salad yet.
I don't disagree with you.
No. He's got a point.
Now it's time to add a special ingredient. Now I know what you're all thinking. I promise you, the Bandito is also something that showed up on Plymouth Rock. But that's neither here nor there. Let's put a pin in that. We'll circle back later.
We'll discuss it later.
We're gonna add some special ingredients. Some traditional.
I don't even know who you
A traditional pre-fight donut.
Traditional pre-fight donut. Yeah.
We're gonna add some traditional Fritos. Now look, see, now you're just messing with powers you could not possibly comprehend.
I had him in.
You're meddling with powers you cannot possibly comprehend.
Only doing regular Fritos.
What?
Sorry, dude, I cannot break the rules here. There's some standards.
I'm making a different one in a second.
No, you are not. Ethan, would you please tell this guy that our forefathers did not make a mistake with the Catalina dressing?
It came down straight from God.
Whoa.
I'm on a mission from God.
Yeah, you stole it right out of my mouth!
They're not gonna catch us. We're on a mission from God.
Okay. Speaking of mission from God, here we go. Now, an important thing to do with this is do not add too much. You can add more, but you cannot go back. I think in the words of the famous Norman Van Aken, you can't unburn toast.
That's a good quote.
Yes, sir, it is.
And he would not like this dish.
Why? Tell me why. Why would he not like this dish?
Because of the Catalina.
What's wrong with Catalina?
Mine used Italian. And
it
that
feels
was
like
okay.
a Catalina mixer is a very classy thing to be a part of.
What?
I want it. Okay, I want the Catalina wine mixer.
This is basically just Fritos with a bunch of stuff on it.
Dude, okay, so you're judging me because I use Fritos instead of tortilla chips and I use Catalina instead of Italian dressing to make a taco salad? Mm-hmm. You've got to admit, your logic is a little flawed in this scenario.
My logic is uncertain.
It doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it's brilliantly simple. That was the original design.
90% of your ingredients were from a can.
So what?
I didn't say it was a bad thing.
Come on.
I'm going to taste this remarkable dish and tell you what I'm talking about.
All right. Can I?
Uh-huh.
I want to. See, I'm going to give it a go. All I taste is Catalina. It's like when you add green chilies to everything. We're talking about hot sauce. I'm sure a lot of people will like this.
Oh, you condescending.
You're the devil!
All I taste is Catalina.
When you have yours, all you taste is Italian dressing.
Nah, dude.
Yes. Because then you're tasting your memories, and I'm tasting mine, and mine are way cooler than your memories.
Sounds like a Philadelphia Eagles fan over here.
Oh,
You may regret that.
And just trying to start all kinds of fires in the comment section.
Leave it all in the comments below. Speaking of comments, folks, it is now time after we devour this taco salad that Ethan loves and that I love.
I love this part of the show.
It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
From impressive to obsessive, a little spice and the not so nice, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
There's an empty plate over there.
Huh?
I don't know what you're talking about. That was consumed. I will show you the video on my phone of Nate devouring that.
I did not devour.
He devoured. Getting down on that taco salad?
It's garbage.
I'll let you decide. Leave it in the comments below. But now we're at a very special spot of the show where we like to highlight you, the viewers, give you a platform, and then we read it. Comments from you guys really do something special to me.
Most of the time.
From time to time. From time to time. Starting from the top in no particular order. This is a special one. This comes from Janet, either Hooten. She says, and this was on your episode, by the way. She says, oh, you mean roll them like CJ did first?
No. Erroneous. See, you guys don't know. We film videos ahead of time. I did mine first.
No, that isn't.
It is true.
Prove it. Somebody prove it. Ha! All right, so here's to you, Miss Janet. I'm going to ring it.
Janet.
Thank you for understanding and noticing greatness and those who copy it.
From my show.
All right, this next one comes in from Brian Larson.
Hey, Brian.
What up, Bry Man?
People call me the Bry Man.
He says, I don't understand. How can there be a Blackstone commercial without CJ? That's like a PB&J with no peanut butter, a BLT with no bacon, a Mac with no cheese. It's time for CJ to get his proper recognition. How many people bought a Blackstone Griddle after watching CJ? I'll start the counting. 1.
Yep, you can stop the counting after that.
Listen, I know that you're still bitter after the taco salad thing because mine is better.
Bitter. Wait, I'm bitter?
You're bitter.
I'm not bitter.
I'm not bitter. I've seen better days.
I'm not bitter.
But honestly, the reality is that my taco salad is the original. Yours is like the taco salad formerly known as taco salad.
Hey, CJ, did you know?
Oh,
I was gonna be eating taco salad.
Sorry, what?
Train wreck.
Do you know what Prince's real name is?
I'm guessing it's not the artist formerly known as.
Good
Nope.
one.
Thank you. What is it?
It's actually Prince Rogers Nelson.
His name is Prince?
His name is Prince. It was named after his dad's jazz combo.
Get right out of town!
Get right out of town. No, that's
Seriously?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's ring it to the artist formerly known as Prince.
Wow.
And Prince. Cheers, buddy. All right, this next one comes in from Corey P. Stop the clips of stupid comedy clips.
Stop. Wait, what?
Stop the clips of stupid comedy clips. It gets old after the second one. Please.
Stop the clips of the stupid comedy clips.
That's not stupid at all.
Stop being redundant. It gets old.
Redundant. What do you need? What do you need?
What do you need?
In the words of my forefathers, nah, dude.
That's also what they said?
Exactly.
Oh, got it.
Okay, this is a fun one. This is from Randy Hodge.
Hey, Randy.
Randy says, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
CJ, you make your food the way you want it. Nate jumping in there with useless ingredients. Should have given him the old, thank you very much, Miss Lippy.
Thank you very much, Miss Lippy.
You're right. You are right.
I take my laugh back.
Snap into a Slim Jim. Oh yeah.
Don't.
Okay, let's talk about this next series of comments that are about to come in.
Oh, damn.
Not too long ago, I did a tortilla pizza wrap-up, roll-up. Obviously, that was copycat by Nathan Lippy over there.
How'd you acknowledge it?
And there was quite a few people that said, CJ, yours was the best. There was nobody who said Nate was the best.
Not true.
But there's a significant number of people who thought Ethan was the winner, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick rapid fire.
Hit me.
It's like with 2 or 3 of them.
Hit me.
Who's counting? Daryl Parker says, Ethan by far. LX2W says, L for love, LOL. Thanks for the shadow. I gotta vote for Ethan's roll-up in this time. Nate's was like the crystal light version of yours, CJ.
No.
Yep. James Comey says, think I found Nate's show first. Double up with Ethan on this one. Don't sell yourself short, Judge. You're a tremendous slouch.
Yeah.
Don't sell yourself short, Judge. You're a tremendous slouch.
Mel says number 1, Ethan. Number 2, CJ. Number 3, Nate. Go big or go home. Rodney says always overload like Ethan's. Kurt Danielson says, hands down, Ethan wins. CJ, you're a close runner-up. These look delicious.
Okay.
Carlos Hernandez says,
Yeah.
Ethan's, because fat boy. Thomas says, double everything looks best. Mariah, she says, I'm for sure an Ethan type of roll-up, LMAO. I overfill everything with deliciousness. Also, P.S., I think you need to make a ring it and bring it onesie, please. I'm working on it.
For babies?
For or humans. Maybe.
Baby humans. Got it.
Steve says, hey CJ, did you know Ethan's was the best? Sorry.
Nope.
Blue Eagle 73, good call, Ethan. Double everything.
Consensus.
Yeah, I gotta go ahead and say nah, dude.
Because obviously mine was the most well proportioned.
You know what? Let's just ring it for Ethan. Here's to Ethan.
I use one every once in a while.
I'm the best there is.
You know what?
I'm the best there is.
Fine, whatever. It's your show. I'm out.
All right, Ethan, come finish comments of the week.
Yeah, come finish comments of the week. Yeah, comments of the week.
I was
go for it.
You don't get that.
No,
Oh.
get out of here.
This one is Guy123. He says, Ethan's my favorite.
All right, guys, thank you for joining us on that gigantic debacle of an episode where we established that my taco salad is 100% better
Ooh,
than
we
Nate's
didn't
taco
establish
salad.
that at
Look,
all.
let's just draw the line right here. I use Catalina, you use Italian dressing. I use Fritos, you use tortilla chips. Neither one of us are using authentic Mexican ingredients to make our taco salad. Therefore, on my show, Exo Facto, I win.
I win.
Go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and a ton of others, not Nate's taco salad.
Nope.
Also, be sure to check out all the fun shows. Definitely go to griddlenation.com. If you got
Yeah.
something that you want up on the OG board, you sure should be sending it to me. I guess that's it. In the meantime, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote. I was just looking for my. Hang on.
Oh, that's...
Well, fine, Ethan. Okay, go.
And I guess that's a wrap.
That hurt.
See you guys at the old Catalina wine mixer.